This is one of the most insane motorhomes you'll ever see on the internet. We're talking about the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome, a machine that looks like it was born on a heavy-duty trucking highway and raised in the wild. This isn't a regular RV. This is a full-blown off-road fortress built on a legendary truck platform and transformed into a luxury home that can go absolutely anywhere. If you clicked on this video expecting something massive, extreme, and unreal, trust me, you're in the right place. Welcome back to drivetrain, where we explore machines that don't believe in limits. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome, a beast that combines long-haul truck toughness with 5-star living on wheels. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing is impossible to ignore. The first thing that hits you is the sheer size and presence. Built on a heavy-duty 6x6 chassis, this motorhome rides on 3 axles and 6 massive wheels, giving it unbelievable traction and stability. Each wheel is fitted with aggressive all-terrain tires designed to handle mud, sand, snow, rocks, and rough trails without hesitation. This is not a motorhome that sticks to paved roads. This is a machine built to leave civilization behind. Up front, you're greeted by the bold and unmistakable grille of Kenworth, a brand known worldwide for building some of the toughest trucks on the planet. The long hood, muscular stance, and industrial design instantly remind you that this motorhome is based on true heavy-duty DNA. The front bumper is fully reinforced steel, equipped with a massive winch, recovery hooks, skid protection, and rugged detailing that looks ready for battle. The lighting setup is next level, with roof-mounted LED light bars, powerful bumper spotlights, fog lights, and side lighting that can light up remote wilderness like daylight. Now let's step inside, because this is where the Kenworth 6x6 completely changes the game. The moment you enter, you forget you're inside a truck-based motorhome. The interior feels more like a luxury apartment than an RV. The living area is spacious and thoughtfully designed, featuring a premium leather sofa setup that provides comfort after long days of travel. There are dedicated sleeping areas with high-quality mattresses and clean, modern finishes, making this perfect for long expeditions or full-time living on the road. Large panoramic windows surround the cabin, giving you incredible views of your surroundings, whether you're parked in the desert, deep in the forest, or high in the mountains. A skylight floods the interior with natural light during the day, while soft ambient LED lighting creates a warm, relaxing atmosphere at night. The flooring and interior materials are chosen to feel premium while still being durable enough for off-grid adventures. This is luxury designed for real exploration. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to live comfortably off the grid. You've got modern appliances, plenty of storage, solid countertops, and enough space to prepare full meals anywhere in the world. Right next to it is a complete bathroom with a luxury shower, sink, and toilet, allowing you to stay fresh and comfortable no matter how remote your journey becomes. This motorhome is built so you never feel like you're sacrificing comfort for adventure. Now let's move into the cockpit, because this is where you truly feel the power of this machine. Sitting in the driver's seat feels like commanding, a long-haul truck mixed with a futuristic control center. You sit high above the road with a commanding view, giving you confidence in traffic, on highways, and on tight off-road trails. The steering wheel is premium and multifunctional, while the dashboard features large digital displays showing speed, navigation, vehicle diagnostics, and terrain data. To your side is a large touchscreen that controls navigation, entertainment, climate, and camera systems. Multiple camera views help you manage the size of this beast. Whether you're maneuvering through tight trails or backing into a remote campsite. The seats are wide, supportive, and designed for long-distance comfort, making cross-country drives feel effortless. This cockpit is all about control, confidence, and endurance. Now let's talk about what really matters: power. The 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome is powered by a heavy-duty diesel engine built for extreme torque and long-term reliability. Depending on the configuration, this motorhome delivers massive torque well over 1,000 AVT, allowing it to pull heavy loads, climb steep mountain grades, and push through difficult terrain without struggle. The 6x6 drivetrain ensures power is delivered across all three axles, giving you incredible traction and balance on loose or uneven surfaces. This setup isn't just impressive, it's practical. Deep mud, loose sand, snow-covered roads, and rocky trails that would stop normal RVs instantly are exactly what this motorhome is built for. Locking differentials, advanced suspension, and serious ground clearance allow it to crawl over obstacles while still providing a surprisingly smooth ride on highways. This is a motorhome that's just as comfortable crossing states as it is crossing wilderness. The 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome is built for people who want true freedom. It's for adventurers who want to reach places most people only see in documentaries. It's for families who want epic road trips without giving up space and comfort. It's for explorers, photographers, overlanders, and anyone who wants a mobile base camp that can survive anywhere. From deserts and mountains to forests and frozen landscapes, this motorhome is ready. Most RVs force you to choose between comfort and capability. This one refuses to compromise. It delivers heavy-duty truck strength, extreme off-road performance, and luxury living in one unstoppable package. It's a rolling fortress, a long-range explorer, and a luxury home all in one. And that's the 2026 Kenworth 6x6 Motorhome, one of the most powerful and capable motorhomes ever imagined. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below. Would you take this Kenworth 6x6 deep into the wilderness or across the country? Let us know. Don't forget to subscribe to drivetrain for more insane vehicles and extreme builds. Click on the video on your screen right now to see another machine that pushes every limit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.